It is called the Sunlight Sovereign, a single piece of fruit worth $50,000.
Deep inside a high-security vault in the mountains, a secret factory is harvesting the rarest luxury on Earth. Our journey begins in the Zenith biosphere. Here, 5,000 robotic trees are monitored by AI. One tiny blemish, and the entire tree is purged. Every cell of the golden apple must be perfect. The harvest is a dance of giants. Traditional tools would crush the delicate gold skin. Weep the cleansing. A specialized solution of ionized water and microscopic diamond dust is used to polish the skin while scale is everything. This single pallet represents $10 million in luxury assets. Flash drying to prevent any oxidation of the golden hue. High-velocity air stabilized at 0% humidity. But the factory is under constant pressure. One shift in oxygen levels, and the golden skin could turn to ash. We inject a secret blend of saffron and liquid minerals into the core, ensuring the flavor is as unbelievable as the appearance. Thousands of units move with rhythmic precision, organized by an AI brain that never sleeps. The foundation is set. The discovery is real. But the true secret of the gold is hidden.
Welcome, this is the Polish Hall. This is Sanctuary, where nature's raw gold is turned.
Traditional scrubbing is too violent. We use the sonic bath. High-frequency enormous. Millions of microbubbles explode every second, stripping away imperfections without ever touching the fret.
Next, the robotic buffing. Velvet heads infused with carbon polish the surface until the reflection is caries.
In this factory, no detail is too small to add. The legendary coating, a molten lake of edible gold, refined to 99%. Precision is life. Our sprayers apply a layer exactly 3 microns thick, 1 drop too many. The curing, ultraviolet light fuses the gold to the organic skin, creating an indestructible bargles. The final glaze, a protective shield of liquid diamond dust that gives the apple its eternal shimmer and passion. But perfection is elusive. A single microscopic scratch can cost 50,000 marked for the elite. Each apple receives its digital birthright, a laser-etched serial number. The exterior is perfect. The skin is set. But the true danger lies within.
To achieve a flavor worth $50,000, we must go deeper.
These aren't just containers. They are biological time machines. Here, the loading must be absolute. One tiny leak in the vacuum seal, and the internal structure of the fruit would shatter or infusion. The core infusion. We force inject a proprietary blend of honey and liquid minerals directly. Total surveillance. AI-driven sensors monitor the atomic density of the sugar. We are looking for the duxels. Next, the sonic aging. But engineering nature is dangerous. A sudden spike in internal pressure can turn the $50,000 apple zip. The giant is now alive. It is no longer just fruit. It has become a living battery of concentrated flock. We drop the temperature to -50 degrees in seconds to freeze the molecular structure, locking in the perfection forever. The maturation is complete. The giant has been forged in fire and ice. But the ultimate test.
Out of 10,000, only one is chosen for the master slice.
The master cut. A diamond-tipped wire slices through the hardened skin with surgical precision. Behold the amber heart. A texture so perfect, it shimmers like a gemstone. Not even a drop is wasted. This liquid essence, the soul of the sovereign, is bottled separately as total luxury. We add a final layer of edible gold to the exposed core, sealing the flavor and marking each wedge. Engineering meets art. Our packaging is a mobile vault, designed to maintain the core temperature and pressure of the material. Final verification. AI-driven vision systems confirm every seal is perfect. One mistake, the giants are packaged. The luxury is sealed. Now, the legend leaves the fortress.
Global delivery at a god-level scale. A single convoy moving through these factory gates holds more value than our
destination, the world. These giants are on the move, tracked every millisecond by satellite. Enshorchment in Sfintistry. A bevrodi start de Frunston insurance of the Supernfit. Remate from Kursmins and Tupkumat Woodies Fumisics. Total connectivity. From the high-tech orchards to the stratosphere, the journey of the world's most expensive bulls. Final destination. From the deep maturation chambers to the center of the world's most elite tables.
It is more than taste, it is an experience. The diamond crunch texture combined with the liquid nexatotine. Success is measured in wonder, engineering nature to its absolute limit.
This is the unbelievable world of the giant golden apple factory, where we,
Nature's ultimate treasure, revealed by engineering. The sunlight sovereign. But the factory never rests.